In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add a new worksheet in Excel. This is one of those essential tasks that can make navigating and organizing your workbooks much more efficient. So let's dive right in. To kick things off, one way to add a new worksheet is through the Home tab. Excel's ribbon interface is packed with features, and the Home tab is where you'll find a lot of fundamental tools. Start by clicking on the Home tab located on the upper left side of your Excel screen. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Insert drop-down menu. Click on it, and among the options that appear, you'll find Insert Sheet. By selecting this, Excel will immediately create a blank worksheet and add it to your current workbook. This method is great if you prefer using the mouse and are accustomed to navigating through the menu options. Now, if you're more of a keyboard enthusiast and enjoy using shortcuts to speed up your workflow, there's a quick and efficient way to create a new worksheet using the keyboard shortcut Shift plus L11. All you need to do is press these keys simultaneously, and like magic, you'll see a new blank worksheet appear in your workbook. This method is especially useful when you want to streamline your work process and reduce the time spent moving your hands from the keyboard to the mouse. Moving on, there's an even simpler and perhaps the most straightforward method for adding a new sheet, which involves using the new sheet icon. If you look towards the bottom left corner of your Excel window, you'll notice an icon that resembles a small plus sign within a document. This is the new sheet icon. Every time you click this icon, Excel will insert a new worksheet into your workbook. This approach is particularly user-friendly and intuitive, making it a favorite for those who appreciate simplicity. Each of these methods has its own unique advantages. Whether you prefer using the ribbon menu, a quick keyboard shortcut, or the ease of a single click, Excel provides various options to cater to your working style. Taking just a few seconds to master these techniques will undoubtedly make managing multiple worksheets a breeze, allowing you to stay organized and focus on what matters most, your data. I hope you find these tips helpful as you work towards mastering Excel's features. Don't forget to practice each method to figure out which one you like best. And as always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about Excel. Thanks for tuning in and happy Excelling.